Starting October 6th, Lake County will begin its new residential curbside collection programs for residents in unincorporated areas of the county. The new service offers collection once per week for trash, recycling, and yard waste. The county will provide homeowners with 2 carts at no charge, one for trash and one for recycling. Carts will be received no later than October 4th and should start being used October 6th. Between October 6th and April 1st, 2015, homeowners will have the one-time option to request a different size cart at no charge. The carts themselves are easy to use, as shown here. This fall, residents of unincorporated Lake County will be receiving 2 free carts as part of the new residential curbside collection service. One cart will be for trash, the other for recycling. New automated trash collection vehicles will use a mechanical arm to grab the carts and empty them into the truck. Using the new carts is very easy. Just place the trash bags or recyclable materials inside. Tilt the cart and roll it out to the curb. The wheels of the cart should face towards the house. Be sure to place carts 4 feet from one another and away from mailboxes, parked vehicles, fire hydrants, and other objects. This will allow room for the mechanical arm to grab each cart, lift it, empty it into the truck, and return the cart to the curbside. To learn more, visit our website. Items that can be placed in recycling carts include paper products, plastic containers, metal containers, and glass containers. Please remember to rinse these items before placing them in your recycling cart. Styrofoam, batteries, light bulbs, and plastic bags are not accepted. There are many benefits to using the new trash and recycling carts. They fit more recyclables than the current 18-gallon bins. Recyclables don't need to be sorted, and by recycling, waste volume is reduced and less trash goes into the landfill, helping the environment. Household garbage and recycling will be collected on the same day of the week. Yard waste on a separate day. To find out when trash, recycling, and yard waste will be collected for each service area, visit lakecountyfl.gov/garbage collection. When visiting the website, enter your address as shown here. The map will then zoom in to display the address entered. Then, at the bottom of the screen, select Trash, Recycling, or Yard Waste Pickup to view the collection days. Collection days will appear here. In this example, trash and recycling will be picked up on Fridays. Homeowners who will be receiving the new carts will also receive a Days of Service card informing them of their collection days. Here is the list of service providers in each area of Lake County. WCA serves the north and eastern portion of the county, Progressive Waste Solutions the western portion, and Waste Pro the southern portion. For more information about the new trash collection program, call 352-343-9400. Email garbagecollection@lakecountyfl.gov or visit lakecountyfl.gov/garbage collection.